Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian here with BikeMaster. Today we want to go over a couple of batteries and some choices that you should look at for this year's riding season. First, we want to start with the conventional acid fill battery. Now, most of you 6-volt and 12-volt guys will have to look towards this. So this is the standard acid fill where you have an acid pack, you put it into each cell, let it soak, and then charge. They're very affordable when you are going to replace your battery. BikeMaster has probably some of the best value. But for you acid fill guys, again, for you 6-volt guys, you'll want to take a look at this. Next is the more of the AGM. This is what you're going to see come OEM on most of your motorcycles nowadays. These are a maintenance free, so you do still have a acid pack. Most of the time when you get it from the dealer, they should fill it for you. But when you order this, you'll need to fill it yourself, let it soak, and then seal it. These are nice because you don't have to do any type of maintenance outside of your normal charging. Now the upgrade, we have the BikeMaster Trugel. These are really nice. It is a complete maintenance-free battery outside of charging. It does have a gel electrolyte inside of it. And how that benefits you is, especially if you're on a sport or off-road bike, it doesn't slosh around, it doesn't have any damage with vibration. So you won't have to worry about that. Plus this battery comes with a 2-year warranty as well. And then our top of the line is the BikeMaster Lithium Ion. How this benefits you, especially if you have a big twin or a big displacement or high compression motor, the lithium ion is great for high cranking amps and very lightweight. And I really want to show that to you by comparing two. So we'll start off with the Trugel, which is one of the top batteries that we offer, and check the weight. You'll see that weighs in about 5¼ pounds. It's pretty light for a battery, but now let's compare that to the lithium ion, and this is the real reason why people want it. It's nearly half that weight. So lithium ion is great for, again, those bikes in need of high cranking amps, or for you racers, or for you guys who are really trying to consolidate that weight and get some more weight savings. So with this lineup we have here, both the conventional and AGM battery come with a 1-year warranty. The Trugel and the lithium ion both come with a 2-year warranty. Now, it's very important when you get a new battery, you want to make sure you maintain it properly and right. I know most of you guys are going to go out to your bikes this year and try and start them up for the first time to nothing. So when you order one of these, whether it's a acid fill or not, you want to fill them properly and make sure you put them on a charge overnight before you use them the first time. Also, it's a good thing to think about getting a BikeMaster Trickle charger. It's very easy to do. Hook it up to your battery when you're done riding or for long extended periods of time of not riding, and make sure that you get the most life out of your battery. Check these out. There's many options available, and thanks for watching.